Hi guys, this is JenBoyd from JenBoyd. What are you doing? And in honor of all my Afro-Latinos and Latinos around the world, I decided to show you all how I make my baked taco bowl. It's very simple and very easy. And if you want to know how to make this delicious poppy, stay tuned. When making the tortilla bowl, what you will need is a large flour tortilla shell and toothpicks. Very easy. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Alright, so when making the taco bowl, you will take your tortilla shell and fold it like this. You will make the letter Z in however it appears to you. You will make it like this. You will take your toothpick, you will press it through one end, bring it down, and press it through the other end. So it could look like this. Then you will go to the next location. You will turn it slightly, fold, same thing. Take a toothpick, press through and down. Then you will turn and fold. And you can make your bowls however large or small you want. You can make them smaller by doing this. The more toothpicks you use, the tighter your bowl will be. I typically use about 5 toothpicks when making these bowls. You press it through. And then you can finish it off like this if you want. Or you can make one more, which is 5. And then you have your bowl. You can mold it just slightly. And then you set it to the side. Some more. And even if you have like a little slight tear in it, that's fine. We're going to do another one. We're going to make another bowl. Take your tortilla shell and your toothpicks. Go ahead and put 5 toothpicks on there so you can grab it as you go. Alright, so you're going to take it. You're going to fold. Stick through one end, out the other end. Take your, I'm going to try to do it backwards for you. Take it, fold, insert through one end, push it to the back, and out the other end. Alright, take your tortilla shell, fold. You want to make sure your toothpick go through all 3 of the folds. Push it down with your finger, press it through. And don't be too rough because you will tear your bowl up. And I know you don't want a tore up bowl. Press it through. You can fill these bowls with chicken, beef, pork, turkey. If you're vegan stuff. If you don't do gluten, you want to find you a gluten-free bowl. This is your bowl. Alright. Okay, so now that my bowls are made, I'm going to put them in the oven on 400 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. Be sure to watch them carefully. They will be complete once they are golden brown. Go ahead and take them out, or don't even wait till they get all the way brown, because if you wait too long, then you'll find your bowls getting brown, or they have a charred taste to them. So allow them to cook for 5 to 10 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they are done, take them off, let them cool, and then fill them up. We'll be back with the finished product. Alright, now that our taco bowls are done, as you can see, it's hard and crunchy. So the next part is taking out your toothpicks and filling your taco bowl with all the fixings. So what we're going to do is remove the toothpicks. Make sure you hold it in place first and just remove them. It doesn't take a lot of effort. You just push them up, pick them up, and remove them. Pick them up, remove them. Alright, so now that you have that done, it's time to fill your taco bowl with all the fixing. We're going to do a little cheese at the bottom. Alright, I have ground turkey here. You can use whatever meat you prefer. We like ground turkey. Put about 2 scoops of ground turkey in it. Alright, now that we have that, we're going to add some refried beans. Not too much, just a little. Nice little helping of it. Alright, we're going to add some corn. Abby and Albertus likes corn. You know, you add however much you want, however much you don't want. We're going to add a little more cheese. I love cheese. I don't know about y'all, but I love cheese. We're going to add some lettuce. We're going to add some tomato. A little more cheese. Just a little bit more. And to top it off, some guacamole. Now my guacamole looks parade. Let me tell y'all. I love guacamole. I didn't start eating it till I hit my late 20s, maybe 30s, or whatever. Early 30s. Late 20s, early 30s. And guacamole is so delicious. And one day I had some where it's all parade. And let me tell y'all, it is delicious when it's all combined together. I don't really care for chunky guacamole. But this is our taco bowl. I see an area where I can add a little bit more meat to it. Hold on. Because let me tell you something. I like my bowl to be filled to the max, honey. I don't know about y'all, but I like my stuff filled. Add a little more cheese to it. Add a little more guacamole. Just a little bit more. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. I also have my Chipotle ranch. It's canned steakhouse ranch that I add a pack of Chipotle to. You just shake it up really good and just sprinkle a ranch on it. Just a little. And you have your taco bowl. Ta-da! I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Be blessed.